I need a fume extractor. How expensive can they be? So I was online looking at prices for fume extractors, and they were outrageous, man. It was like one of them was like $1,000, another one was like $500. Saw one for 400. That's just too expensive. I'm not gonna spend that amount of money on something that I can build myself. So here's my DIY fume extractor. Here's the intake nozzle. Got all these parts off of Amazon, and wasn't too expensive. But anyway, here's the intake nozzle. This is what will suck in the fumes when I solder. Then if you go under here, sitting on top of my TrueNAS server, don't worry, it gets enough ventilation. It's not going to overheat. It'll be fine. But anyway, don't judge. Anyway, on top of my TrueNAS server sits the motor. This is a Inline motor. I think it was designed for like grow tents, but I picked that up for like $40. Then I got a reducer that will hopefully improve the suction power from the intake nozzle on top, and it basically vents all of the fumes outside. I got one of those window vent kits, and that's it. DIY fume extractor. See if it works. Hey Google, turn on the fume extractor.
All right, turning on the fume extractor.
And as you can see, it's working. So, DIY fume extractor. Oh wow, man, yeah, that works.